Attention, this is a PSA for multiple sclerosis and abnormal immune response against the central nervous system. T cells pass into the CNS to attack myelin sheaths around nerve fibers. When it's damaged, messages slow or stop completely, leading to MS's characteristic symptoms. More info is to follow.
The cause of multiple sclerosis is unknown, but is believed to involve genetic susceptibility, abnormalities in the immune system, and environmental factors. Multiple sclerosis begins with acute onset of neurologic abnormalities. Paresthesia, eye pain, and blurry vision are hallmark symptoms that occur with MS's initial onset.
Symptoms vary based on severity. In severe cases, people lose the ability to walk. In milder cases, people may have vision loss and bodily pain from the nerve damage. In all patients, scar tissue or sclerosis will form around damaged nerves.
Multiple sclerosis affects more than 2.3 million people, and about 50% of all people with MS have cognitive problems linked to the disease. There is no cure for multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is also unpredictable in the long-term prognosis, but it isn't fatal. However, medicines can help control MS. Ultimately, the majority of people who have MS will experience a relatively normal lifespan.
Current treatments involve immunosuppressants, which reduce the inflammatory effects of the T cells but leave patients more susceptible to mild illnesses such as a common cold. The normal pathway is the NOD2 pathway, which creates effects by stimulating cytokine production for fighting bacteria. Usually, after the illness passes, this pathway slows down and the concentration of cytokines fall. The pathway becomes diseased when XIAP, the protein that controls inflammatory signal release, malfunctions. Then, cytokines are overproduced and inflammation becomes uncontrolled, leading to MS's symptoms. Current research involves finding better treatments, such as immunotherapy. Recently, researchers at UC San Francisco and Toronto discovered that plasma cells that produced immunoglobulin A can suppress malfunctioning T and B cells. This information could be used for furthering immunotherapy for MS in the future. Thank you for watching. We hope that you learned something new today about MS. Remember, refuse to lose, stand against MS.